Hey bunnies, welcome to another Naked Sunday. Go ahead, grab your drink, come back to the video. Now for this video, you already know what it's about, you saw the topic. I wasn't really sure what I wanted to film. Like, I have a couple topics that I wanted to talk about, but I didn't feel like talking about them in the moment. So I went on Snapchat and I was like, yo, what do you guys want me to talk about? And the first person to send, well, not the first, yeah, the first person to actually answer the question that I asked was the topic of swingers. There has been one person who kept asking me to do a particular topic, and I think this is the topic. If not, go ahead and post what it was if you're watching this video right now. If you don't know what a swingers are, it's a couple or singles who engage in either wife swapping, partner swapping, husband swapping, whatever you want to call it, with other couples. Okay? So it'd be like me and my husband have intercourse with another husband and wife or another boyfriend girlfriend situation. Now I feel like what this person wants me to touch on is how I feel about swinging, because we all know the general, idea of what it is. I literally just defined it for you. So this is my view on swinging. I say this in all my videos. It's your sex life. Do what you want to do. I don't judge. If you want to swing, go ahead and swing. Would I ever swing? It has come across my mind a couple times. We've never swung before. We've invited females into our boudoir and had a little bit of fun, but it has never come to a point where we were like, all right, this is going to be a regular thing, or we're gonna wife swap or husband swap. It has never come to that, and it's never been like one of those topics. I do remember before we got married for my birthday, there is this club, I think it's called Trapeze. I did want to go there, and he was like completely against it. So there was that little instance, that little moment, but that was the closest me and him have ever come to swinging. Again, it's your relationship, it's your life, it's your choice. If that is what you want to do, go ahead, by all means, have fun, enjoy your swinger lifestyle. What I will say is, if you're thinking about doing this with your partner, make sure that you two communicate. Communication and trust are a must. And I'll never stop saying this. Like, you have to talk to your partner. Set ground rules, whether it takes days, weeks, months, years, whatever it takes. Set the ground rules, be comfortable with those rules, and trust your partner. Communicate with your partner. Let your partner know how you are feeling every step of the way. If for any reason you feel like you're being pressured to do it to keep your partner, then you're doing it for all the wrong reasons. All the wrong reasons, and then that's going to blow up, and you're just going to be even more upset, and then they're going to be upset, and it's just going to be a whole thing. So if you're not comfortable with the situation from day one, then let that be known and be done with it. Okay? But if it's something that the both of you want to do, then go ahead, talk it out, work it all out, and see where you go from there. How to meet other swingers. Now, I'm pretty sure there are websites out there, just like Cupid or Black People Meet, Ratchet People Meet, whatever. I'm pretty sure there are websites out there where you can meet other swingers. They do have like get-togethers. Like I said, there was that one club, Trapeze, I believe it's still open, where swingers are obviously there. You go, and it's usually with the intent to have intercourse that night or soon. Now, if you're going to jump into the swinger lifestyle, you have to understand that you have to pick and choose who you open up to about stuff like this, because society, people are very judgmental, and it's going to be easy for a person, a friend or a colleague or an acquaintance or whatever, once they know about your lifestyle, to feel like you're always going to want to sleep with them, or they're going to be uncomfortable around you because like they're always gonna feel like you want to have to sleep with them, or they're gonna want to sleep with you and you not be interested in them. Okay? So be careful, be cautious of who. If you want to tell the world, go ahead and tell the world. That's your prerogative. But all I'm saying to you is just be careful, mindful of who you say certain things to, because not everybody's heart is pure. piggybacking off communication, if you find yourself in a situation, let's say you're swinging, you and your husband, you and your wife, whatever, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, whatever, you're both swinging with another couple, or a couple is interested in you and like your partner finds their partner attractive but you don't find the other counterpart attractive, you two need to have like a safe word or some kind of way to get out of that situation without hurting the other couple's feelings. And that will happen, or maybe it won't. Hey, maybe it won't happen. Maybe you're the one who has the unattractive partner, or you're the unattractive partner, whatever. And communication is a must at the end of the day. Make sure that you and your partner are understanding of, you know, where you both stand, what you both want. And it doesn't have to be an everyday thing, every weekend thing, or every month. It could be once in a while. It could be for just your birthdays, anniversary, Valentine's Day, Christmas, Hanukkah, Kwanzaa, Thanksgiving, whatever it is that you want to celebrate, Easter, whatever. You can do this on your own terms. Like I said, just set the ground rules. Don't feel pressure to do something that you're not comfortable with or that you don't want to do. But for me, I have no issues with swinging. Swingers unite. If you like it, I love it. If you're a swinger, I don't want to say if you know a swinger, don't do that. Don't out nobody who don't want to be outed. But if you're a swinger and you're proud of it, go ahead and comment down below. Let's talk about stuff. Maybe you can educate me on some stuff. Maybe you could educate the people who are watching this video right now on some stuff. Go ahead. Talk it out down there. Talk. That is the end of my video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm swinging a lot because I have to stand with my legs far apart because my bun is too high and I don't want it to get cut off on the camera. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions for me, leave them in the comment section below. If you feel like I should have mentioned something that I didn't mention, go ahead and leave it in the comment section below. If you have a question to ask me that you're too embarrassed to ask in the comment section, my email is in the description bar. Feel free to email me. I love getting your messages and I'll respond as soon as possible. Thank you guys again so much for watching. Until next time, peace sign and kissy face. Bye.